All right, welcome to the brand strategy for small biz course. In this course, the goal is to understand what a brand is and how to use it to drive awareness to your business. So by the end of this course, you will have a purpose-driven brand strategy uniquely tailored to your business. All right, so let's have a look at the topics we are going to cover before we start. We are starting with understanding brand identity. Why do you need a brand? Then we are going to have a look at how to use your brand with purpose, which is how to create a brand strategy. Then we are going to have a look at the core elements of a brand, what they are and why they matter, how you should use them. Then we are going to take the step of defining your audience, understand who you are talking to. Then we are going to have a look at brand positioning and learning how to use your differences to make your brand stand out. Finally, we are going to see what are your visual identity essentials and how you should use them properly. Remember, if there's anything at the end of a lesson that you didn't understand, all I want is for you to be able to fully implement everything you learned in this course. So feel free to reach out and have fun with this course.